Got hail damage? Don't let it stress you out. Dino's Dent Deception Mobile Paintless Dent Repair is here to save the day. Conveniently, professionally, and super fast. Imagine this, you're at home and bam, a hailstorm hits your car. You don't want to deal with the long wait, right? With Dino's Dent Deception Mobile Service, you don't have to. They come to you turning that dented nightmare into perfection in no time. Seriously, it's like magic watching those dents disappear. My vehicle looked like a golf ball and that was driving me crazy. And let me tell you, the ease of having a pro come right to my driveway was a game changer. No more waiting around, it's so smooth, and the results, absolutely flawless. If you're tired of stressing over your vehicle's appearance, it's time to take action. Click the link and get your car looking brand new today. You won't regret it.